Look who likes playing on his mat. Grant. Is this your favorite toy right now? Do you have another one at Nana B and Papa Sir's house? And there's a mirror you're looking up at. Yeah, this is a good toy with a mirror, and it also plays music. So you could dance and stretch your legs and your arms. Yeah. Who's that baby in the mirror? Oh, you're having fun, aren't you? Hey, Grant. Hey. Hey. You gonna smile for Mommy? You gonna smile? Uh-huh. 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 Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, you gonna smile for Mommy? Are you too busy playing? Yeah. Look at that. Look at that tongue. Okay, I'll let you go back to playing.